Hello everybody, welcome to Excel. In today's video, we'll be learning the function called count, and I'll be giving you the scenarios where you can use this function. Okay, so let's take an example at the scenarios first, and what is the output which we require, and then let's start with the function. So in the column A, we have a range A1 to A16 in which we have numbers, text, and one blank. I'll just highlight the blank columns in color so that you can easily recognize the same. Okay, so there are four scenarios. First is I need to count the numbers in the selected range. The second one is I need to count the numbers and the text in the range. Third is I need to identify how many blanks are in the range, and fourth is I need to count the numbers plus blanks in the range. So for the first scenario, I need to count the numbers. So for the counting the numbers, I'll be using the function count bracket start. I'll select the range starting from A2 of course till A16. I'll close the bracket. I'll hit enter. So this gives us a number 10. We'll just verify with the range manually. So the numbers are 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. So we can verify it with a formula and it is correct. Then we need count of numbers plus text in the range. So to count the numbers and text, we can use the function CountA, which is count all. So equal to count A. We'll again select the range starting from A2 to A16. We'll close the bracket, we'll hit enter. It will give us 14. Just to cross verify, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14. Then we need to count blanks. As we know there is only one blank, we'll just type equal to count blanks bracket start. We'll select the range, bracket close, we'll hit enter, and it gives us the number 1. Then we need to find out count numbers plus blanks in the range. So it should be 10 plus 1, which is 11, and we'll be using count and sum, two functions together to get our result. So if you haven't seen my previous video on sum, you can please go and check it out. I'll give the link in the description. So equal to count, we'll select the range, close the bracket, we'll click on plus count blank, as we need to count the blank with numbers. Select the range, close the bracket, hit enter, and we get the number 11. So that is it for today, and I hope this video will be useful for you. Till then, keep rocking. Bye bye.